Hey, what's up guys? It's Catherine. Today I'm here to bring you guys our new instant camera. Last video we have talked about Mini 8. This is Mini 9, which is an upgraded version for Mini 8 with a built-in selfie mirror. Girls ready? Okay, check it out. Okay, this is everything you get in the box. One camera, strap, the close-up lens, 2 stickers, and the user menu in English. Okay, we always need a strap to help hold the camera, keep it safe and nice. Okay, next, install the battery. 1.5 volt, which is not included. And then the film pack, 10 sheets each. You need to match the yellow mark to install it correctly. Okay, press the pop-up button. Power on. Here shows the film quantity. And there are 4 modes. And the high key function, which can modify your images, make it brighter and younger. When you want to take selfie or make a bigger images, you need to put on the close-up lens. And the auto metering function with the light sensor and the indicator lights will tell you the right mood. 5 colors for option. Girls, what are you waiting for? We are on sales. Go click our buying link.